Alright, now we want to change our line and our paragraph spacing. So we want to make sure we're at the top of our document. I'm going to do a Control Home. This ensures that I'm at the top of my document. They ask me to put my Show Hide button on. So that's located on the Home ribbon in the paragraph group. It's this button right here. So we'll go ahead and turn that on. I'm going to take my insertion point in the italicized paragraph under my title. Just click anywhere inside there. And I now want to go to my line and paragraph spacing tool, which is located in the paragraph group, and I want to change my spacing to 1.15. I'm now going to scroll down and select the 5 lines of text that I have located here, and again I'm going to go up to my line and paragraph spacing tool, and this time I want to choose a 1.5. I'm going to scroll and place my insertion point in that heading for Animal Care Rajasthan. And now this time I want to activate my Layout tab, and this shows me some specific information. In here I see a section for spacing, before and after, so that means before this line and after this line. We want to change the spacing in here after to 6. So as I select and that up arrow and change that from 0 points to 6 points, we see that area hop. Kind of gives us a little extra room there. We're now going to scroll down, place our insertion point in the Microloans Inca Highlands, and we're going to choose the F4 button. And the F4 button, what that actually does is repeat the very last step that we did. So I'll scroll on down to Disaster Relief, Nepal. This time I want to select that heading. I'm going to hold down my control, and I want to scroll on down, and I also want to select the Ecological Farming Province. And again, I'm going to do F4, and if you look closely, it changed the sizing, the spacing after that line. So I'm going to go on back, click on my view, and come back to a 100% view. Alright. And so showing us how we can add spacing after a line, and also using the F4 button, which repeats the very last task that we did. So I'm going to deselect, and I'll do a Control Home. I now want to take my insertion point again inside of the October projects, and this time in my Layout tab, in the spacing on the before, I want to hit the up arrow to it 2 times, so it says 12 points. So we can see as I do that I get a little extra room. I am done working with looking at my hidden characters, so I'll go back to my Home tab. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off.